Hello guys, it's Ritik Roy from Roy Education World. Today we have to study the refraction of light. Topic lens formula. Now we have to see what is lens formula. It is relation between object distance and the image distance and the focal length of the lens. Let us see. It is relation between focal length object distance and image distance. It is the relation between focal length or length between optical center and the focus is known as focal length, and the object distance, the distance between the place where object is kept or the optical center, is known as object distance, and the distance between the where the image formed to the optical center is known as image distance. And now what is lens formula? Or lens formula is relation between focal length and the image distance and the object distance. There are three things: focal length, object distance and the image distance. It is relation between these three things. We represent focal length with f, and the object distance with u, and image distance with v. Now see the relation, what type of relation they have. We note there are different type of relation in the mathematics. Let us see the type of relation which lens formula preferred between focal length and object distance and the image distance. That is the relation that preferred by lens formula is 1 by v minus 1 by u equal to 1 by f. Let us see. It is image distance. And what is image distance? So let us see here. It is a concave lens, and here we kept it at f. Then it is going to be formed at. It is going to be formed at infinity. When we kept the object at focus, then the image is going to be formed at infinity. So you do not able to understand here. Let us put it between C and F. It is going to be formed. It is going to be formed at F. It is going to be formed at F. It is going to be formed at F. Here is F and here is C2. C1, F1. Here it is going to form. Then image distance is the optical center is here, and where the distance from here to here is image distance, that is known as v, and the distance of object from optical center is known as u. Okay, and the focal length, the distance from here to optical center, the distance from focus to optical center is known as focal length, and here is also a focal length. Let us we have to know the relation. In the case of mirror, the relation is 1 by v plus 1 by u equal to 1 by f. This is a relation in case of mirror. In case of mirror, but in case of lens, this is a relation. Let us see with an example. Let us see with an example. Let us see with an example. Example, when object is placed in front 20 centimeter in front of concave lens of focal length 30 centimeter, 20 centimeter, and a focal length is 30 centimeter. Focal length is 30 centimeter. Let us see this example where the object distance is 20 centimeter and focal length is 30 centimeter. We know that in the case of lens, the relation is 1 by v minus 1 by u equals to 1 by f. We know this very well. So let us, how do we have to solve? Here we have to erase it first. U is given that 20 centimeter and f is 30 centimeter and v is we do not know the v. We have to find the v. First we have to solve the calculation in physics. First we have to know what is given in the question, and second we have to write it what is given, and then we definitely get what we have to find. We have to only put it on the formula. Okay, here is, we know that 1 by f minus 1 by u equals to 1 by f. Now we have to use some common sense, or what we have to remember. Let us see. We remember that in case of concave lens, focal length is always negative, so it is going to be minus 30. And we always know that we always keep the object in the left side of the lens or left side of the mirror. So we know that whenever our object is placed in left side of lens or left side of mirror, then that is going to be negative. So it is negative. Let us now find the v. We do not know the v, then let the v be v. Let the v be x. So we want to see many things. We put in things a, b, c, d, e, f, g, everything, but not be constant. That is variable. That should be variable. So we let v be v. Okay. So we know the relation 1 by v minus 1 by u equals to 1 by f. F means focal length. Okay. Let us see here 1 by v. So we know that here 1 by v minus 1 by minus 20 equals to 1 minus 30. Here it is going to be, we know that minus into minus minus is plus. Here it is into. So 1 plus v 1 plus 1 by v plus 1 by 20 equals to 1 minus 30. Here it is in the plus. Here it is in the plus. We know that whenever it is in the plus in this side, when it go this side, then it is going to be subtract. And if it is in the subtract this side, then this is going to add down that side. We read it in the mathematics. Okay, so here 1 by v is going to be minus 1 by 30 minus 1 by 20. So calculate here. So 1 by v equals to LCM of 30 and 20 is 60. We know that it is 60. LCM of 30 and 20 is 60. Okay, 60. When we divide 60 by 30, then we get 2. So here and after multiply with numerator, we get that is going to be minus 2. And when we divide 60 with 20, then we get 3, and by multiplying with numerator we get it minus 3. So here we know that whenever there is two values in negative, then the value is going to be add down. Okay, then it is going to be 1 by v equals to minus 5 by 60. So it is going to be 1 by v equals to 1 by 12. So v equals to minus 12. Minus 12. So what is minus 12 is showing? We see in our previous videos that whenever a numerical value is represented with negative sign, the image is negative with image sign, that is a virtual real image. It is a v is minus 12. Now v is minus 12 centimeter. Okay guys, thank you for watching my video.